Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send a disappearing photo on Telegram using an app. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, open the chat where you want to send a disappearing photo. Disappearing photos only work in private chat, not in groups or channels. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the paperclip icon or the camera icon. Now choose a photo from your gallery to take new photo using the camera. Once the photo appears on the screen, tap and hold the send button. Small menu will pop up. Tap on send with timer. Now choose how long the photo should stay visible. You can select 1 second, 3 seconds or 5 seconds or more. After choosing a time, tap send and that's it. We have successfully sent a disappearing photo on Telegram. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.